Hey guys, I'm going to be playing Sushi Cat today. It is on Kizzy.com, right up here. Let's get started. Play. Now, so this is Sushi Cat 2. We're going to do a new game. Are you sure? Yes. This is the intro. Oh, he's so cute. Bacon dog stealer. Bacon thief. Oh, he can't reach it. He needs to get bigger. Level 1. Eat these to gain weight. Eat the golden sushis to unlock outfits. And eat these for special power-ups. For the Sushi Cat's belly to win. Woo! He's so fat. Guys, in the comments below, tell me if you guys play this and what your high score was. He just bounces. So cute. Full belly. No. Yes. Aw. Yay. Sushi frenzy. Sushi frenzy. Yay. Got all 3. Now let's drop him down here. Woo. We're gonna drop him down here. Drop him down here. Oh my gosh, he's bouncing. Drop one down the middle. Ooh, supermarket sweep. And then with my last cat, I'm gonna go down here. Yay, got all. No sushi left. Sushi frenzy. Ooh, new outfit. New outfit. The pirate is so cute. Supermarket sweep. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh man. He's so fat he can't fit down. Woo! Ooh, bloop, 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 bloop. And now I only have 3 cats. I'll do 1 cat here and 1 cat here. Full belly. This game is really funny. No more sushi. I have 1 cat left. Sushi frenzy. Boom, boom. Drop, bounce, bounce, bouncy bounce. When is he gonna go to the ground? Oh, get the golden sushi, Mr. Fat Cat. Mr. Fat Cat. Okay, now we're gonna drop it down here. If you guys are wondering why I'm playing this, it's because I watched another YouTuber play it, and it's awesome. It's a really cute game. Right there. No, 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 no. It's not where I wanted to go. I need the flippers. Aw, man. Okay, we only have 2 kitty cats left. We need 11 more sushi. Okay, we only need 5 sushi more. Come on, Sushi Cat. Choose your path. Okay, I think we're gonna get, we only need 1 more sushi. Full belly, yeah! Bloop. Yeah, 100. Boop, 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 boop. In the comments below, tell me if you guys played this game and if you like the game. Oh, this is a bonus level. Come on. He's so fat. No, you missed a bunch. He's so fat. Don't go in. He's so fat. Yay, sushi. Oh, he made it in the elevator. Big mistake. Oh, we need to get bigger again. Oh, look at the little cat toys. I don't like how you have to drop him the chopsticks. Full belly, yay! Oh man, I used to pull my flips. Okay, that was like the worst round ever. Oh yay! No! Oh my gosh, that was so weird. Ooh, new outfit. The archer is so cute. Oh yeah, come on. Oh no, don't squish him. Sorry if you guys hear me snort. It's just I have a stuffy nose. Sorry guys if that just happened. I'll watch back the video. When I watch back the video, I'll see what that did and I'll cut it out. Ah! You hear another noise? That's my friend. Hi. Yeah, we had a sleepover.
Try to keep as quiet as I can.
Yeah. I'm the one who's singing. It's awesome. Drop right there. Golden sushi locked. Oh, I don't like how they squish it. Sorry. Okay, you drop. Ah, I wanted you to drop down the right one. He only needs 2 sushis left. Okay, yeah, he's gonna go down here and we're gonna eat. And we're gonna eat. Okay. It's just fun to click. Sushi frenzy. Let's see how many more we need to get to the next outfit. Okay, change outfit. Next, we need 1 more. And guys, if you don't collect them all in each level, then what was I saying? If you don't collect them all, then you don't get the last costume. I didn't. I played it yesterday, and I didn't get the costume, and I was really sad because it doesn't say. Okay. Oh my gosh, they just squished him.
It's so sad.
They're
squishing him.
I agree. Oh, that was funny though. That squish is funny.
That was funny.
Dang it. It's like, nope. Okay, we need 14 sushi left. Oh man. Sorry guys, if you hear me coughing or sniffling. I have a little bit of a cold.
A tiny cold.
Yeah.
Not too much of one.
This is okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video soon. Just not yet. Oh no, it's my last cat. Blah blah blah. Bello, 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 bello. I'm making many noises.
Yes, you are.
Sushi Fancy. And if you guys don't recognize her voice, she is one of my. I've subscribed to her. She is.
Go check out my channel. I have two
EGS.
channels. She will put those down in the link,
Yes, I
so
will.
you can find those. My link. She will
I
put
don't like
down.
the diaper. Yay!
So y'all can check out my two channels I have.
They're
Really
good.
fun.
She does some cool videos.
And one of my channels, I'm still working on a video, so
Yeah.
don't worry. There will be a video.
And if you are subscribed to her, then you're awesome.
Yes, you are. If you subscribe and like my videos, you are totally awesome. And
Yeah.
so with hers.
Guys. Sorry if you just heard me burp
Kind of just ate.
a little bit.
Not too much. But,
Woo! Oh, I lost my flippers.
oh.
6 sushi left, Emma. Do you think we can do it?
I don't know. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. We have 2 sushi cats left.
Heavy cat. A big cat.
Yay!
Full belly.
I like saying it like that.
Yay.
Full belly. Full belly.
Who's so bad?
That sounds like Molly. Full belly.
Oh,
My friend's name's Molly, and that's what she sounds like.
no. Not too much. Just a tiny bit.
This is easy to get them all. Oh man.
He's so fat now.
I know, he's so cute. You guys can also play Sushi Cat 1 and Sushi Catapult.
Sushi catapult.
Oh, he's finally tall enough. No late entries. Aww. That's my kitty pet. No late entries. Ah. We must get bigger.
Bigger.
Boop, 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 boop,
You have
boop,
to get bigger.
Soy sauce.
Come on, you want your kitty, right?
Soy sauce bomb here, soy sauce bomb here, and soy sauce bomb here. Boop.
Yay.
Golden
Oh,
sushi.
we only need at least
We only
10.
need 9 left. Yeah, at least 10
I would at least get one
extra.
more. Yeah, just.
Oh
in
man, I wish I like had the flippers and I would have hit him up.
Boop, 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 boop. Oh, come on. You're
He's
not
gonna
too big yet.
I only have 2 kitty cats left to get 3 sushi. I think I can do this.
Get the golden.
Yes!
Woo.
1 sushi left.
Alright, we can totally do it.
Oh, we did
We
it.
did it. Yep.
Whee! Yay! It's so funny to watch him.
2 extra bonus sushi.
Yeah, this video, we're gonna end the video in just a minute. So let's see how many more we need to change our outfit. Oh, we need 1 more. Let's hurry. Come on.
Oh, he's just so
There we
he's
go.
just stuck.
Okay. So, guys, this do you guys tell me if you guys
Soy sauce bomb.
yes. Tell me if you guys like the power-ups they give you.
I do. Right now.
Yeah. I like the soy sauce bomb.
I know,
It's smart.
It just gives you, and it like for free. It's like, here you go.
Yeah. It's
Yay,
like
golden sushi.
yeah. We got the
can-
1 golden sushi. So
I
now
don't know if we can get 6.
oh my gosh.
6 and within 2 more cats. Do you think we can?
We need
Yay,
1
we
more.
did it.
Yeah, we can.